The Do Not Disturb DND feature will automatically reject all calls, leaving callers with a busy message or signal. You can enable and disable DND for the entire phone system. Moreover, you can customize DND for each or all accounts. To activate DND in phone mode, press the DND soft key, which will trigger the Do Not Disturb icon to appear in the upper right corner of the LCD. When receiving new incoming calls, the phone will automatically reject them while the LCD shows the details of the missed call.